Multiple setups, poor cutting conditions, and interference with the machine or tool. These are all issues that can occur during part manufacturing. The introduction of a rotary fourth or fifth axis on your machine tool can help minimize these issues and ultimately increase your manufacturing capabilities. Defining this tool axis, therefore, is a crucial step during the CAM programming process, which is why Autodesk Fusion 360 has a range of tool axis definition options that simplify the process, leading you to quicker success. Here, we're going to look at how rotary machining, which often works well on part shapes that have a defined rotational center axis and would benefit from a machining method which wraps around the geometry such as on the lobes of this camshaft. Let's look at this in detail by reviewing the settings for this intake lobe number 1 toolpath. From the Geometry tab, we can select the rotational axis, which in this case is the x-axis of the machine, and its origin point, defined as the center of the cylindrical section of the part. With these defined, the toolpath is projected around the geometry, and the tool axis is aligned to be pointed to the center axis, giving a toolpath with continuous rotary motion and smooth tool axis. This rotary method of toolpath creation can be useful when using either a 4-axis machine tool or even a 5-axis machine tool and limiting the machine to only use 4 axes of motion. With a proven, easy-to-use library of defined methods for tool axis control, Fusion 360 allows you to simply and safely program the 4th and 5th rotary axis of your machine tool, increasing your manufacturing success and productivity.